Hello everybody, I'm Tony with Butterfly Nurse Thrift, and I am doing an unboxing video. This is it was a fundraiser that I won some mystery boxes. The fundraiser was for just one more Dachshund rescue, and it was on the channel of Trusty, Huckster, Mercantile. This is a lot to remember. And they had a drawing for mystery boxes. If you contributed money, it was like a raffle. So this is the next mystery box that I want to open. And I gotta say, these other resellers are really giving me lots of ideas, and they're kind of putting me to shame with their packages. You just open them up and it's like, it's just beautiful, beautiful presentation. And this next one is no exception. This box was it was wrapped like that, so it was already a good package to get. The mail lady enjoyed it. This is from Berkelgirl, or as we also know her in the chat as the other Katie, because Katie with Vintage and Vinyl is the other Katie. So anyway, she's very nice. I've been talking with her on the direct messages. This is what her package looks like, and that's a beautiful lady. I'll have to ask her who that is. Maybe it's her mother, grandmother, I don't know. It wouldn't be her mother. I mean, she's not that old. So let's get in here. I want to save that. That's great ephemera. Oh my God. This is good. Wow. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I gotta show everybody this. It even smells good. Look at that. That's beautiful. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to me. Oh, she knows I have cats, I guess. Well, I always put them on my Instagram, so she probably does. Tony, Merry Christmas. I decided to choose a Christmas theme mystery box for you. Everything is vintage, except for our beloved chocolates. A California treasure. Oh, she already knows me. Hopefully something for y'all, for you to sell. Here's my contact information. She sells on eBay. Berkelgirl. She's not on YouTube yet, but she wants to be. She should be. I think she should be. It's cute, cute, cute. Stationery. Oh, I hate to open this. It's so good. Look, it's just, it makes me want to decorate my family's packages. Because, when you're in the rush with wrapping your packages, you're like, scotch tape, scotch tape. Here, you're lucky if it's not in a bag, and this is wonderful. I need to be better with my family. Look at this. It's wonderful. Y'all, and I'm going to let y'all hear the crinkle because I like to hear the crinkle. Her stickers are great. Great ribbon. Look at that. So it's a Christmas theme package, and I just happened to dress for the occasion. Look at this. There we go. Thank you, Katie. The other Katie. There. Got my hair up. Don't you just love this? I like the sound. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. love it. Love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that'll look so good in my Winking Santa cup mug display. Oh, I gotta take it in. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at the vintage. You got the vintage, all the vintage. And then she puts this candy in there. I mean, that's modern, but I mean, I can use that forever. You see the stocking collection I have over there? You know where that's going after I eat my chocolates. I think that's a jewel, right? Oh my gosh, this is so good. Look at that. She just puts that in there and it looks wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, Santa Claus is coming to town. More chocolates. You know, I've heard about these chocolates, but I've never had these. C's candy. I can read. They taught us reading in Henrietta, Texas. I love it. That's beautiful. That's enough to share with the family. Maybe, if they're nice. Oh, look at this. Look at that. This has made my Christmas, I'll tell you, already. Love it, love it, love it. I gotta look and make sure I'm recording because... Rip it. Rip it, rip it, rip it. Oh my gosh, what is it? Oh, it's a little Tanala turtle. Look at there. It's a teeny tiny turtle. Hello. Hello. You were wrapped in there with Santa Claus and you did not eat my chocolates. You're a good turtle. And there's even more. Look at that stocking. That is just wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And look at this. I think this is real, y'all. That's what smells so good. This is real. Real greenery. You know, I live in Texas where we don't have, I mean, we have some evergreen trees, but it's not like, it doesn't smell like Christmas when you go outside, if you know what I mean. Okay. Cut that ribbon, cut that string, get in there. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's so delicate. Royal. I can't read it. Royal Danube? Danube? Let me let you see the back of it first. We'll do a cult of vintage type of thing. Here's the back. And then you flip it over. Wham! Look at that beautiful, beautiful detail. Wow, that's so delicate. Look. I'm in awe. This is gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. And there's more. I gotta keep showing the stocking. Is that not the best? I have nothing like this. And you know what's good about this is a lot of the vintage Christmas I've gotten, I'm like, I need to sell that. I need to sell that. I'm not selling this. Not. Oh, look at there. Look, I would just be happy with one little package. And oh my God, it's so good. It reminds me of several years ago, I guess when I was in high school and then my son was in high school. I think it was the band sold real greenery wreaths in the high school band. And that was really the only time I would have real greenery in my house because we never had a real tree. And this is what that reminds me of. It's funny how those smells come back, you know. Oh. Oh. You want to see it, don't you? You want to see it? Oh, is that not the cutest? Oh my goodness. Look at that wonderful cold red paint. And he's got a sticker on the back. It's faded, I can't read that, but you have the lot inventory number probably. Look, I'm like Thrill the Thrift. When she gets something really good, her voice gets whispery. That's what I'm doing now. Oh, see, Dee, now I understand why your voice changes when you get something really good. He's so sweet. So sweet. Thank you so much, Katie. The other Katie. Berkelgirl. This is wonderful. I mean, I've opened 2 mystery boxes now, and they've both been great. And I got bubble wrap and boxes, and I like all that. But, I mean, gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And she put the ribbon on there that matches the one in my hair. And the snowman. Oh, I am just blown away. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Patrick, for having the fundraiser allow me to win. And this is great. Oh, look at the detail on that. The trim. That is great. Well, normally this is where I would say, if you see something you want, just go to my eBay store or message me on Instagram. But you can't have any of this. It's all mine. I'm going to keep it. I'm fixed to eat the chocolate. Thank you very much, everybody. And you stay well and enjoy the season. Have a Merry Christmas and enjoy your loved ones. Thank you.